When we heard that our local industry partners wanted a program like FAME, we jumped at the opportunity. It is the next generation of educational models, the ability for students to get both the academic experience that they need, but also those real-world skills.
The FAME program is important to Ternium and also to our community because as our population is aging out or retiring, as HR, we are having a really hard time finding that skill or that experience in our area. So it's very important to start the pipeline early on.
Without those personnel in place, the company could not function.
We need more people in the industrial field. We need more maintenance people. There's always been a shortage. And to give somebody this opportunity to learn all these things, and they'll be able to work at any industrial plant here, wherever they want to go. It's a great opportunity.
Being able to provide for my family in the future through a 2-year course instead of a 4-year college degree. Not to mention the hands-on experience that the program offered was a huge interest to me as someone who went to a college previously.
My experience so far has been great. I think the work and learning part of it has really helped me and advance because you're actually seeing, what you're doing, you're getting a feel for it, you're putting hands on it. So that all together, I think helps you understand why you do what you do. That's growth and progress for me.
FAME model is a very good opportunity for somebody to come in and actually shadow all different departments for Ternium. So he would actually come in and watch the mechanical side, the electrical side, the planner side, work with buildings and grounds. So the person gets an opportunity to actually learn all departments for Ternium. And once the program is finished, he can either be an electrician, he can be a millwright, or he can go on to be a planner.
The FAME AMT program also is allowing us to build a pipeline of potential AMTs and mechanics coming into the organization and train them as we're filling that pipeline.
I'm interested in learning in maintenance because there's a lot of different variables, the electrical side, the mechanical side. I'm just very intrigued to get to all of it, to learn and just kind of be multi-talented with all of that.
It really interests me because I did auto technical in school for 2 years, and I've always worked on cars and machines all my life, so if I get a job doing something like that I enjoy, then that's what I wanted.
This has been very different compared to what I was expecting. I guess I was expecting more of like a office job, in order to start learning, but I've gotten a lot more on hands and training than I expected to get in the first couple of months.
Using the FAME model, the ability for students to be working 3 days a week while taking classes really does open up doors for students to be able to graduate debt-free at the end of their program and walk right into a high-paying job with their manufacturer.
The pay is excellent, the benefits are excellent, and they're in demand in the area.
It allows me to manage both my school and work easily.
Not only is it a good work environment, I do find this job and this aspect of the FAME program very exciting and interesting. It's always something new every day.